Welcome to our YouTube channel, Knowledge Buddy AB. We're thrilled to have you here. Today we're going to be talking about 10 low-calorie foods you can eat when you're feeling hungry. Sometimes when we're hungry, we tend to reach for unhealthy snacks that are high in calories and sugar, but there are plenty of healthy options out there too. So, let's get started. First up is cucumber. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in water content, which means they can help keep you hydrated and full. A cup of sliced cucumber only has about 16 calories, so you can snack on them all day long without worrying about your waistline. Next on the list is celery. Just like cucumbers, celery is high in water content and low in calories. A stalk of celery has about 6 calories, making it the perfect snack to munch on when you're feeling peckish. If you're in the mood for something sweet, try some strawberries. A cup of strawberries only has about 50 calories, and they're packed with fiber and vitamin C+. They're a great source of antioxidants, which can help prevent chronic diseases. Moving on, we have cherry tomatoes. These little guys are full of flavor and only have about 3 calories per tomato. They're also a great source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. If you're looking for something crunchy, try some baby carrots. 1 cup of baby carrots has about 50 calories and is a great source of vitamin A and fiber. Plus, they're easy to pack for an on-the-go snack. Up next is popcorn. Air-popped popcorn is a great low-calorie snack that's perfect for movie nights. A cup of air-popped popcorn has about 31 calories and is a good source of fiber. If you're a fan of spicy food, try some sliced jalapenos. They're low in calories and can add some heat to your meals without adding a lot of extra calories. Plus, they're a good source of vitamin C. Another low-calorie food to snack on is edamame. These little soybeans are high in protein and fiber and only have about 100 calories per cup. They're also a good source of iron and calcium. Moving on, we have watermelon. This juicy fruit is low in calories and high in water content, which means it can help keep you hydrated and full. A cup of diced watermelon only has about 46 calories. Finally, we have Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is low in calories and high in protein, which makes it a great snack to have between meals. It's also a good source of calcium and probiotics. And there you have it, 10 low-calorie foods you can eat when you're feeling hungry. Whether you're in the mood for something sweet or savory, there are plenty of healthy options out there. Thanks for tuning in to our channel. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and share with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all of our latest content.